right, welcome back. Contrary to what I said when I left the last falls, this is not Dill or Upper Dill Falls. This is Cathey's Creek Falls. So what happened? I left and my GPS said go right, so I went right, and then my GPS decided not to have service, and somehow I ended up down below Brevard instead of where I wanted to go. But there's still some great waterfalls around here. This one, it's a short hike. You can see the trail right here on the side of the road. There's only room for 1 or 2 cars. Trail heads down, and it like I said, I don't think it's much of a hike at all, but it's a pretty waterfall, and I figured I'm in the area now thanks to you, GPS. So why not head down here and take a peek at Cathey's Creek Falls. And after that, since we're going to be around Brevard, we've got things like Moore's Cove, Looking Glass, Frying Pan Mountain. So we'll see where we end up after this, and see what kind of time we've got left. But yeah, thanks for coming back. Even with the hiccup, we'll find something to go look at. Okay, all right, so I'll just say this. All Trails says there's a 16-foot elevation change. That's a lie, but this was a really quick hike. Not overly steep on the way back out, but I'll be honest, I was kind of impressed when I came down the hill right here, because I didn't expect the waterfall to look quite this good. It looks good online, but one under. For such a quick little hike. That's a nice big pool right here, and a very nice waterfall to go with it. Hang on just a second, I'll show you. So this is Cathey's Creek Falls. For a little spur of the moment, trying to find something to replace my other, I like this. And the water keeps going down. Definitely got a little, if not swimming hole, just a little wading area down here. I'm impressed. This would be a really good spot to bring kids right here on the side of the road. It's easy to get to. Just a quick little hike down. And it's not that ridiculous steep like some of the other ones we've done so far. So yeah. Very nice waterfall. All right. Trees aren't too bad. Let's see if I can't put the bumblebee up. so we have officially knocked Cathey's Creek Falls off the list. Give you another look at it before we head out. For a, like I said before, like just such a quick little hike down the hill, this is a really beautiful spot to be in and swim in where it's a little warmer. It did finally warm up enough I could take my long sleeve shirt off, but I'm not getting in the water today. Yeah, so far 3 waterfalls today. All 3 of them have been really nice. I'm gonna head back up to the car and kind of figure out what's gonna happen next, because we're a little off our path, but I've got a lot to choose from, and I am gonna have to head home here pretty soon because it's about a 2-hour drive from Brevard. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day from here, hike this little trail back out, and I will see you guys at the next one, though I'm not 100% sure which one it'll be. Everybody, have a good week.